Imagine a world where quality isn't just a standard, but a promise. Quality tools are the secret to exceeding customer expectations and solving production issues efficiently. Let's explore how mastering these tools can transform your manufacturing process. These tools are essential for factory managers, quality control professionals, and production teams. By leveraging them, you can track trends, analyze data, and drive continuous improvement, ensuring top-tier quality standards. The Fishbone diagram helps identify root causes of production issues by categorizing potential causes. It's a powerful tool for pinpointing problems like excessive stitching defects and implementing targeted solutions. Check sheets collect and organize defect data, revealing patterns over time. Control charts monitor process stability, while histograms visualize data distribution, helping you understand quality variations. Pareto charts prioritize problems by highlighting the most frequent causes of defects. Scatter diagrams analyze relationships between variables, and flowcharts streamline processes by identifying inefficiencies. Let's recap the essential tools. Fishbone diagram identifies root causes, check sheet tracks defect trends, control chart monitors stability, histogram visualizes distribution, Pareto chart prioritizes defects, scatter diagram finds correlations, and flowchart streamlines processes. By mastering these tools, you'll enhance your factory's performance and meet customer expectations. Quality isn't just about meeting standards, it's about exceeding them and optimizing costs. Implement these tools to drive continuous improvement in your factory. Share this knowledge with your team to foster a culture of quality. Like and share this video with industry peers to spread the importance of quality tools. And with that, we come to the end of today's discussion. If you enjoyed this discussion, don't forget to subscribe, and feel free to reach out with any topics you'd like us to explore in future videos. You can also visit our website or other social media platforms for professional updates. The links are provided in the description below. Until next time, this is Grow Yo Learning signing off.